Duke has a chance to line up a second ball into the box. Picks out top. Chipped into the back post, and there's the opener. Who else? Danni König. Now USL's leading scorer, his 17th goal on the season, and it's 1-0 OKC. Still there for OKC. Evans. This one does find Christian Duke. Beautiful cross, and Greg finishes for the second for OKC. Christian Duke, first time cross on a 50-yard ball. Played it right on a platter for Kyle Gregg. His 6th goal of the season, and now a 2-0 hole for Portland Timbers team. Out of nowhere, the ball bounced to Peter Toth, and Gleason had to react quickly. And there's the third, a mess in the box. And it's all going wrong for T2. Danni König's 18th goal this season. 3-0 in the 31st. Townsend looking for Greg. He turns, shoots, Gleason makes the save, and it's put back in. The 4th for OKC, a hat trick for Danni König. And a tough night at Merlo Field continues to get worse for T2. This group that's on the field right now doesn't necessarily train together every day, and it can obviously be challenging when they come to play on game day. George Foshive, a first-teamer, great cutback, and he pulls one back. George Foshive, his 3rd goal for T2. The defensive midfielder has shown a goal-scoring touch at this level. Something to feel good about as we head to halftime. In his 2nd career as head coach of OKC Energy, has them in 4th place in playoff position. Foshive trying to get another one back, and he does! Watch out now, 23 seconds into the second half, and it's 4-2. George Foshive once again. Fatau, Fernanchoff, can he get behind Hedrick? Cuts it back, now it's Seton. A chance for his first for Portland! Michael Seton pulls one back! T2's not out of it yet. 4-3 in the 79th.